Ever wondered what women truly want in a man? Stay tuned to find out the secrets that can transform your love life. We're going to dive deep into the qualities that truly matter to women in the US. And hey fellas, don't worry, I'm here to break it all down for you. Think of me as your friendly guide to understanding the female psyche, with a little humor along the way, of course. So sit back, relax, and get ready to take some notes. This is going to be fun. Chapter 1. Confidence is key. Alright guys, let's kick things off with a quality that's universally attractive. Confidence. Now I'm not talking about arrogance, okay? There's a big difference. Confidence is about knowing your worth and being comfortable in your own skin. It's about walking into a room like you own the place, but in a good way. Think more like, I'm comfortable being myself, and I'm not afraid to show it. Women find that kind of genuine self-assurance incredibly sexy. It shows that you believe in yourself, and that's a major turn-on. So how do you build confidence? Well, it starts with self-acceptance. Embrace your quirks, your flaws, everything that makes you, you. And don't be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone and try new things. The more you challenge yourself, the more confident you'll become. Remember, confidence is a journey, not a destination. So be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. Chapter 2. The Foundation of Trust. Now let's talk about honesty. I know, it sounds like a no-brainer, right? But you'd be surprised how many relationships crumble because of little white lies and half-truths. Honesty is the bedrock of any strong and healthy relationship. It builds trust, and trust is like a delicate flower. It takes time and care to cultivate, but it can be crushed in an instant. When you're honest with your partner, you're showing her that you respect her enough to be upfront and truthful, even when it's difficult. It shows that you value her feelings, and that you're not afraid to be vulnerable with her. And let me tell you, vulnerability is incredibly attractive. It takes courage to be open and honest about your feelings, and women appreciate that kind of authenticity. So the next time you're tempted to tell a little white lie, remember this. Honesty is always the best policy. Chapter 3. Your Secret Weapon. Okay, fellas, let's be real. Life can be pretty stressful, right? That's why a good sense of humor is like a breath of fresh air. Women love a man who can make them laugh. Laughter is the best medicine after all. It lightens the mood, strengthens your bond, and makes even the most mundane moments more enjoyable. Now, I'm not saying you have to be a stand-up comedian or anything. Just be able to laugh at yourself. Find humor in everyday situations. And don't be afraid to crack a joke or two. A well-timed joke can go a long way in making a woman feel comfortable and at ease. Plus, it shows that you don't take yourself too seriously, which is always a good thing. So, embrace your inner comedian, guys. You might just be surprised at how much women appreciate a good laugh. Chapter 4. Emotional Intelligence. The Key to Her Heart. Alright, let's get a little deeper now. Emotional intelligence, or EQ as the cool kids call it, is crucial in any relationship, especially romantic ones. It's about being aware of your own emotions and the emotions of others, and being able to manage them in a healthy and constructive way. Women are naturally drawn to men who are in touch with their feelings and can empathize with theirs. It shows that you care about how she's feeling, that you're willing to listen, and that you're not afraid to talk about emotions. Now, I know some guys might be thinking, emotions? Isn't that a little too touchy-feely? But trust me on this one. Being able to understand and respond to your partner's emotions is a sign of strength, not weakness. It shows that you're mature, compassionate, and capable of building a deep and meaningful connection. Chapter 5. Ambition, a turn-on for the soul. Let's be honest, ladies love a man with a plan. Ambition isn't just about climbing the corporate ladder, although that's great too. It's about having goals, aspirations, and a drive to achieve something meaningful in life. It's about being passionate about something, whether it's your career, a hobby, or a cause you believe in. When you're passionate about something, it shows that you have depth, that you're not content with just coasting through life, and that's incredibly attractive. It shows that you have the potential to achieve great things, and that you're not afraid to go after what you want. So, what are you passionate about? What gets you excited? Whatever it is, pursue it with everything you've got. Your ambition will not only make you a more interesting and attractive partner, but it will also enrich your own life in countless ways. Chapter 6. Supportiveness. Be her biggest cheerleader. You know that feeling when you have someone in your corner, cheering you on no matter what? That's the power of supportiveness. Women crave a partner who believes in them, who encourages their dreams, and who is there to celebrate their victories and offer comfort during setbacks. Being supportive means being present, both physically and emotionally. It means listening without judgment, offering words of encouragement, and being a source of strength and stability when life throws curveballs. It's about being a true partner, a teammate, someone who is always there to catch her when she falls and help her get back on her feet. When you're supportive, you create a safe and loving space for your partner to thrive. You become her rock, her confidant, her biggest fan. And that, my friends, is priceless. Chapter 7. Communication, the bridge to understanding. They say communication is key, and they're not wrong. But it's not just about talking, it's about truly connecting, listening with intent, and expressing yourselves openly and honestly. Good communication is the foundation of any strong relationship. It's about being able to share your thoughts and feelings, both big and small, without fear of judgment. It's about being able to have those tough conversations, the ones that make you squirm a little, with respect and understanding. And it's about being an active listener, truly hearing what your partner is saying and responding with empathy and compassion. Remember, communication is a two-way street. It's about speaking your truth and being open to hearing theirs. When you master the art of communication, you build a bridge of understanding and connection that will strengthen your bond and deepen your love. Chapter 8. The Cornerstone of Love. Respect, my friends, is non-negotiable. It's the foundation upon which all healthy relationships are built. Respecting your partner means valuing her opinions, even when they differ from your own. It means treating her with kindness and consideration, even when you're having a bad day. It means honoring her boundaries and never making her feel small or insignificant. Respect is about recognizing that your partner is an equal, a valuable and worthy individual deserving of your love and admiration. It's about appreciating her for who she is, flaws and all. When you treat your partner with respect, you create a safe and loving environment where your relationship can flourish. You build a foundation of trust and mutual appreciation that will stand the test of time. Chapter 9. Be someone she can count on. Life is full of surprises, and sometimes we just need someone we can rely on. Being dependable means being there for your partner, through thick and thin. It means keeping your promises, being punctual, and following through on your commitments. It means being a source of strength and support when she needs it most. Now, I'm not saying you have to be perfect. We all make mistakes, and that's okay. But when you're dependable, you show your partner that you're committed to the relationship and that she can count on you no matter what life throws your way. You become her safe haven, her rock, someone she knows she can always rely on. And that kind of security is invaluable in a relationship. Chapter 10. The Spark That Ignites It All. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room: physical attraction. It's what initially draws us to someone, the spark that ignites the flame. But here's the thing about physical attraction. It's subjective. What one person finds attractive, another may not. And that's perfectly okay. The most important thing is that you're attracted to each other, that you find each other physically appealing. But physical attraction is more than just skin deep. It's about chemistry, that undeniable connection you feel when you're around someone. It's about the way they make you feel, the butterflies in your stomach, the way your heart skips a beat when they smile at you. Physical attraction is important, but it's only one piece of the puzzle. It's the spark that ignites the flame, but it's the qualities we've talked about throughout this video that keep the fire burning bright. So there you have it, gentlemen, the secrets to understanding what women really want in a man. Remember, building a strong and lasting relationship takes time, effort, and a whole lot of heart. But by focusing on these qualities, you'll be well on your way to creating a love that's built to last. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on relationships and personal growth. And remember, the key to a successful relationship is understanding and appreciating each other. Thanks for watching.